Do stairs make you feel older than you really are? If your knees ache, your legs feel weak, or you grab the railing for dear life, you're not alone. But here's the good news, with just 3 simple exercises, you can make stairs your friend again. No gym, no equipment, no pain. Just a few minutes at home. Let's get started. Your stronger, more confident steps begin today. Exercise 1, the chair power lift. Let's start with a move you already do every day, getting out of a chair. This simple exercise strengthens your thighs and glutes, the same muscles that lift you up each step. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Scoot forward a little so your knees are above your ankles. Cross your arms or hold them out in front of you. Slowly stand up, no rushing. Then sit back down with control. That's 1 rep. Try doing 10 slow lifts, twice a day. If it feels tough, use your hands for a bit of help. With time, you'll rely less on your arms and more on your legs. Pro tip, move slowly on the way down, that's what builds strength and protects your knees. Exercise 2, side step up. Now, we're going to wake up your side hip muscles, they're your secret weapon for balance. You'll need a low step or stair. Stand beside the step, 1 foot on the ground, 1 on the step. Press through the foot on the step and lift yourself up. Slowly lower back down. That's it. Do 10 reps per side, and switch. If you feel wobbly, hold on to a wall or chair for support. This move improves balance, strengthens your hips, and makes each stair feel easier. As you get stronger, increase your step height or go slower for a challenge. Exercise 3, the gentle step down. This one's a game changer, it teaches your knees to handle going downstairs without pain. Start by standing on the bottom step. Shift your weight to one leg. Slowly lower the other foot toward the floor until your heel just touches. Then press back up to the step. Take it slow, count 1, 2, 3 on the way down. You'll feel your thighs working hard, that's a good sign. Do 10 reps per leg, 2 sets total. This builds eccentric strength, the control your muscles need for smooth, pain-free movement. So there you have it, 3 simple moves that rebuild strength, improve balance, and make climbing stairs easier than ever. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Just 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. And here's your challenge, do these exercises 3 times a week for 1 month. Then, come back and tell me in the comments how much stronger you feel. If you're serious about staying active, healthy, and independent, hit that subscribe button and join our senior wellness and health family. We've got more gentle routines coming your way, all designed for adults over 60 who want to keep moving with confidence. Until next time, stay strong, stay steady, and keep taking those steps forward.